Have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through a streaming platform and not sure what to watch next? With the vast amount of movies available, it can be overwhelming to find something that fits your taste. But what if there was a way to recommend movies that you would actually enjoy? The problem statement is that XYZ online streaming platform have identified that their users are struggling to find content that they are interested in. To address this issue, they want you to make a recommendation system that can suggest relevant movies or TV shows to users based on their historical interactions with the platform in order to improve customer satisfaction and increase platform revenue. At Codersarts, we have implemented several solutions for this problem where we have used the movie ratings dataset, which is available publicly, and various techniques like rank based recommender, similarity based, and matrix vectorization based collaborative filtering. Following libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Surprise were used for the purpose of visualization and building the recommender system. We have explored this problem with several algorithms like SVD and KNN, and the following evaluation metrics like RMSE and MAE were used. And it's not just limited to movies. Recommendation systems can be applied to any item for which you want to build a recommendation system. So, if you need a solution, don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us by email or through our website. Our team is ready to help you with your needs and get the solution that you are looking for. Thank you.